Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
Let's practice English for today's lesson is going to give you the answers. Let's go to the first slide. So the question was, write the pronouns that come after the verb. For example, give me. So me is a pronoun that comes after the verb. So do you know all the pronouns that come after the verb? Let's see the answers in the next slide. So pronouns that come after the verb, we call them object pronouns because they come after the verb. So the first pronoun is me. Give me. Listen to me. Help me. The second pronoun is you. I help you. I understand you. The third pronoun is him. Tell him. I help him. The next pronoun is her. Help her. I help her. It. I know it. I understand it. I eat it. So these are for the singular form. Let's go to the plural form. Help us. They understand us. They listen to us. You in the plural form. I help you all. So it's plural. Help them. Listen to them. Give them. So these are the answers. Try to practice them and to remember them.